Okay, what up? This is me. Just demonstrating some of my gymnastic ability. Learn how to do this on my own, not ragging or nothing. So here you go. This is me hitting a tuck, a back tuck. Yeah. Easy. Okay, I'm gonna go this way. See? Okay. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do an aerial. No hand cartwheel. No hands, you're doing a cartwheel. So basically what I'm doing is, y'all know what a cartwheel is. I'm just going like this without hands. Okay? So that's what I'm gonna do. Bam. And that's all you're getting for now. I'm out.